Are you tired of constantly adjusting your thermostat? It can be daunting, but programming your Honeywell thermostat can be the key to comfort and energy savings. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to program your thermostat effectively. First, it's essential to understand the critical temperature periods: wake, leave, return, and sleep. These settings ensure your HVAC system runs efficiently when you need it the most. To start programming, locate the Set and Schedule buttons on your device. You'll need to initiate a new routine using these buttons. Next, ensure that your thermostat is accurately set to the correct time and day. This allows it to know when to activate the heating or cooling systems. Now, let's delve into temperature settings. Adjust your desired temperature using the up or down arrows or the +2 buttons. It's that simple. Remember, you can also change temperature modes. This allows your thermostat to switch between heating and cooling based on your preferences. Use the Mode button to cycle through the available options: heat, cool, auto, or off. Fan settings are essential too. You can set it to auto to save energy or on for continuous circulation. Feel free to toggle between these options for optimal comfort. Now let's explore scheduling. Your Honeywell thermostat allows for an automated routine, maintaining your home's comfort while conserving energy. Ensure you take a moment to adjust the default schedule to better match your lifestyle. If you're using specific models, like the T10, T9, or T6 Pro, the programming process is user-friendly, whether manually or via the Honeywell Home app. For model-specific guides, we have compiled instructions to ensure you can handle all thermostat functions seamlessly, whether you have an older model or a smart device. Don't forget, you can access and adjust your thermostat settings remotely with the Honeywell Home app. This app gives you added convenience and control. In conclusion, programming your Honeywell thermostat ultimately leads to increased comfort and energy efficiency in your home. You're now equipped with the knowledge to tackle programming confidently. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your questions in the comments below. Happy programming!